The 5 simple steps to get your sales rhythm back after the winter slump is done and dusted. Step 1. Open your pipeline, not your inbox. Action, action, action. A phone call, not maintenance. Action beats admin. Step 2. Call the warmest lead first. You don't need 20 phone calls to build momentum. You just need the right first one. Low-hanging fruit. Step 3. Block 90 minutes for sales calls. No open tabs except your pipeline. And go all in. Reset your pace. Step 4. Log your progress as you go. Tracking creates feedback, and feedback builds consistency. Really important. Track the behavior, not the outcome. The dials, for example, not the pickups. Trust the process. Step 5. Reward the small wins as you go. Give yourself, for example, a gold coin, or jump up and down each time you close the loop or book the next step. Keep it moving. Helpful? Let me know with a like or a comment down below.